Still a long way to go. Now, it's the last show of the series, and I'll be honest with you, I know, it's sad. But Anne and I have been dying to play some of the games over the last 6 weeks, so I thought it would be nice if we could have a go at Simon Cowells. Steve, do you fancy?
I do, yeah. Fancy that? Should we have a go? Okay. And, seeing as it's Easter, if I win, right, I win,
yeah,
every man in this studio audience gets an Easter egg. How about that?
If I win, then I'll give every woman in the audience one. And then you can all have an Easter egg.
Should we do it?
Let's do it.
Can we do it? Come on, let's do it. All right.
I don't know how this... I hope it's not as fast as those last ones.
Oh, man! That scares us. Oh, right. I was trying to play along there. I love it. Nice and quiet, nice and quiet, nice and quiet. Here we go.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Let us concentrate. Here we go. Are you ready, Anne?
Yes, I am.
All right, then. Let's see our set of Simon Cowells. Steve. Right, I've got an answer. It's a guess. I'm sorry, girls. Can I just apologise in advance, girls? This is a pure guess. That took me chocolate, Jack.
Well, that's exactly the same. It's a guess from me as well. So don't get your hook. That's tough, that, isn't it?
That's really hard.
Damn you, Simon! That was the hardest one. Yeah, right, okay then. I thought I saw 62 teeth. You don't know the answer. 62.
Girls, do you think it's higher or lower than 62? I think there was 57.
You don't know the answer, will you, Jim? The best of luck to you, because women love their chocolate.
Oh my God, if I get this wrong, I'm sprinting out of here.
You're lynched. So it's 62 versus 57. Ronnie, can you please reveal how many teeth there were?
Well, Aunt, I can tell you there were actually 63 teeth.
I'm so sorry, girls.
But fellas, 3 Easter eggs! Everyone start with the woman's going to have to go. There you go, dear. You know. That's it. That's the end of part 2, but we'll be right back with a game that's a real song and dance. See you in a few minutes.